Arsenal fans supposed to even come to we the Chelsea fans and ask us about the way. Yes, the way or how you can win Champions League trophy as a team. For me, that is what I was expecting from Arsenal fans. Come and ask we the Chelsea fans the way, yes, you can win the league or the Champions League trophy, but not to come and be making noise. Because the dream that you want to live, we already achieve it. Yes, what you are chasing, Chelsea, we have been there in so many times, so many occasions. So Arsenal fans, stop making that noise. When you are even making your noise, maybe in front of, yes, other team fans, but not Chelsea. Because in London, we are the only team holding that. Yes, Champions League. In fact, when you go to London, the only trophy room you can see all the club trophies in the world in European football is Chelsea. Chelsea trophy room. So if as Arsenal fan, you are going to make noise, not against Chelsea fan. No. Ask me about the way so that I teach you how to win the Champions League trophy as Arsenal fan. But not making noise. I can still remember that goal Rodrigo scored. Charlie, up to now, it is still in my head. Pain, like I'm feeling the pains through my blood, through my bones, through my body. The pass that Mudryk gave Rodrigo and he scored. No. Up to that date, I haven't recovered. I won't lie, guys. So I hate Real Madrid. Won't come to Champions League. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about these few things from Chelsea camp. Finally, guys, Mykhailo Mudryk has spoken about his doping issue. Mudryk said something about his doping issue. We'll come and talk about it. And the second thing, guys, Chelsea also gave information about the young, talented player who signed from Brazil, Estavo Williams from Palmeiras. We'll come and talk about that information. And our brothers, our good brothers, Arsenal said something to Chelsea fans. After winning their so-called Champions League game, they said something. We'll come and talk about that something. And also, Madrid fans also send a message to Chelsea fans. Yes, guys. So we'll come and talk about all these things. And Chelsea Chelsea about to sign certain young player that Mek or Gabriel Mek. We don't need him. My Chelsea don't need him. So let's leave it aside. So guys, before we move on and do that, please hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation, the hope to give you more videos. So please hit the subscription button and hit the like button and turn on the notification bell in front of you. Please, more videos are coming on this channel. When I upload a video, you will be the first person to do what? See it. Let's come to the first topic. In fact, guys, Mudryk said something about his doping issue. And it got me worried and got me scared. In fact, I am worried for Mudryk, guys. And what did he say? Let's listen to it, guys. Mudryk, I have lost 5 family members in the fight since the invasion of Ukraine. Now, the only thing that makes me happy has been taken away from me. What do I have left? It is really difficult to be in this situation. I have said that I am innocent and still stand by it. I urge everyone to be calm. The truth must surely come out one day. And thank you all for your messages. So guys, that is the information from Mudryk. It means that he is going through a lot. It means that he is going through emotional trauma, mental sickness. And this is so bad, so bad. I feel sorry for him. In fact, as a player, before you can give your maximum performance, your best performance, you need to be happy. You need to have that mental stable. And as we are speaking now, Mudryk doesn't know where his man belongs to. I'm telling you. Because as he said, 5 people lost during the Ukraine and the Russian thing. And now this doping issue is happening to him. And for me, I will not blame Mudryk a lot. And I will not blame Chelsea a lot on this thing. I'm blaming Efe or those in charge of this doping issue. Because first, you came out with the sample A, confirmed that he tested positive for doping. Now, come out with the sample B, so that everybody can see the result, so that we can see what will happen next, or Mudryk can see what will happen next. But guys, they keep on waiting. And these kind of things, like, it makes the player keep on thinking, because you don't know what will happen next. You are waiting for sample B, in which in most cases, if the sample A is positive, the sample B will also come positive. So for me, I am blaming Effie or those in charge of that thing. Yes, come out with the sample B to relieve this guy from that emotional trauma, from that thinking. Yes, but waiting. No. It's not good. It's not good because we never know. Players, they pick form within a season. It may happen that this season was to be Mudryk season. We never know. Yes, this season maybe Chelsea we were to get our money, the big money will sign him. But Charlie, so guys, that is the information from Mudryk. Yes, that he is going through a lot. And for him, he still believes that he is innocent. And when the sample B comes, everything will show that he is innocent. He didn't take any doping or what and what. And we are wishing him all the best. Yes, if the sample B comes, even if it is positive, so that the sanctions, the punishment will be less, not, yes, big. And I heard he already hired some lawyers, yes, to deal with it. Even if the sample B comes positive, yes, lawyers, they can see if they can defend it. So guys, that is the information from Mudryk. Let me hear from you under the comment section. I hope you also worry about this. Yes. So let's come to Estavio Williams. Chelsea says something about him. And this is it, guys. Estavio is viewed as a generational talent and is expected to be part of the first team straight away in 2025 to 2026. Estavio has long-term aspiration to play as a number 10. Listen to you guys, number 10. Joe Schultz and Alisson Marins now battling with Arsenal, Bayern Munich, and Barca for Merck. Yes, another young guy also want to sign. In fact, they started this signing since in the summer. Yes. So let's talk about Estavio. Chelsea said that Estavio will walk straight into our starting 11 in 2025 to 2026 season. They believe his talent and he has that aspiration to play as number 10 for Chelsea. That is good. That is good. I like the passion from the young guy. And in fact, I watch his videos a lot. And he is living to that hype, to that, yes, social media hype on him. He is good. He is playing well. And in fact, he is a dribbler. And not just a dribbler, he can finish, he can score. That is good. But guys, see, next season, he will be joining Chelsea. And the way the hype is, it's like when he joined Chelsea, he is coming to be like our Eden Hazard. Maybe in the future, he can be like Eden Hazard or even more than Hazard. But we shouldn't be expecting a lot. Let me say that. Like, we shouldn't put that pressure on him. Like next season, when he joined Chelsea, he will just come and be our savior. Like, and be carrying Chelsea, winning football game for Chelsea. Yes, be on top of everything. Like, be like our Cole Palmer, Eden Hazard, and co. No. This guy is still young. He had the potential. Yes, he is good. This kind of players, even when you lower your expectation for him, he perform. I'm telling you. But if you put that pressure on him, even if he come and commit a single error or mistake, or single or one day bad performance, you see the noise will be coming. This guy, the way they were just praising him for me, I think he was doing. And that is the reality. He is a young player, new in the game, new in European football, not even Premier League or Chelsea, European football. He hasn't played in Europe. If it were to be that, he is playing for Serie A, La Liga, yes, German, and he's giving this performance. We will say that, okay, maybe when he joined Chelsea, we will see some of his performance. But in this case, differently cool. And the league that he's playing, the competition is not higher than any of the top 5 European leagues. La Liga, Premier League, German, France. Yes, all the top 5 European leagues. The South American league is not bigger than them, or the competition is not higher than them. So guys, let's lower our expectation on Estavio. This guy, I like him. I don't want we the Chelsea fan to spoil him or to make his game bad, or for him to come to Chelsea and come perform, because the pressure recently we are mounting on him, the hype we are mounting on him. If he come to Chelsea and maybe have a bad season, that is all. I'm telling you, we will become fed up. Yes. So guys, let's lower our expectation. Let's help this guy to come to Chelsea and develop and grow. in a normal circumstance, in a normal jurisdiction, the past Chelsea that we used to know, this guy, upon all his potential, he will not come to Chelsea and just walk straight to the starting 11 and be a starter. Maybe he will be starting from the bench or second half, 70 minutes, 60 minutes. He can come in, but not just to start. And that is the right way it should be, for him to be introduced well into the European football, into the Premier League game. Yes, but the way Chelsea we are hyping him, or the journalists and even our owners are talking about him, as if next season when he joins, he's going to carry Chelsea all the way. No. Young player like this can't do it in Chelsea. Maybe he will help. Look at Cole Palmer. Now Cole Palmer is falling out. You can't do it alone. So guys, let's lower our expectation on Estavio for him to grow, for him to come to Chelsea and develop. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this Estavio. Yes, Chelsea said when he joins next season, he's coming straight away into our starting 11. You want to play as number 10. You see, with Palmer position. Can it happen? We shall see. Yes. And let's come to our brothers, guys. Arsenal. In fact, guys, Arsenal won their Champions League game. I think 7-1 against PSV. That is good, because in football, you can only beat a team that is in front of you. Yes. You can't beat a team you are not going to play. Yes. So that is good. But the way Arsenal fans are making noise, in fact, I could not sleep last night. They make some noise. They are saying that they are the favorite to win the Champions League. And they are saying that they are going to win the Champions League. And I'm laughing at them. Yes. Do you know why? For me, I haven't picked or tipped Aston Villa as favorite to win this Champions League more than Arsenal. Because when you look at Arsenal path to the final, it's not easy. Because Arsenal beating Real Madrid, it can happen. Maybe football, but I don't see it coming. Arsenal beating Atletico Madrid, I don't see it coming. And even if Arsenal fans was to make some noise, it should not be against Chelsea fans or in front of Chelsea fans. If as Arsenal fan, you are going to make some noise because your team won Champions League game, not in front of we the Chelsea fans. Arsenal fans supposed to even come to we the Chelsea fans and ask us about the way. Yes, the way or how you can win Champions League trophy as a team. For me, that is what I was expecting from Arsenal fans. Come and ask we the Chelsea fans the way, yes, you can win the league or the Champions League trophy. But not to come and be making noise. Because the dream that you want to live, we already achieve it. Yes, what you are chasing, Chelsea, we have been there in so many times, so many occasions. So Arsenal fans, stop making that noise. When you are even making your noise, maybe in front of, yes, other team fans, but not Chelsea. Because in London, we are the only team holding that. Yes, Champions League. In fact, when you go to London, the only trophy room you can see all the club trophies in the world in European football is Chelsea. Chelsea trophy room. So if as Arsenal fan you are going to make noise, not against Chelsea fan. No. Ask me about the way so that I teach you how to win the Champions League trophy as Arsenal fan. But not making noise. So guys, we shall see. We are waiting to see. Yes, they will qualify. Forget, they will qualify. We are wishing them all the best. We shall see. Yes, for them to know that it's not easy. Yes, when Chelsea, sometimes we were doing it, we will lose, sometimes we win. They will come and make noise. This is their time to show the world that they are capable. Yes, we shall see whether they are going to meet Real Madrid or Atletico Madrid. We shall see. And let's come to Real Madrid. In fact, this Real Madrid team, I'm not supporting them this season. Yes. And even against Atletico Madrid, I'm not supporting them. Yes, I wasn't supporting them to win that game. And I am not supporting Real Madrid because, see, Real Madrid, they are too good in the Champions League. In the Champions League, they are too good. See, like they don't have a bad form in Champions League football. So for me, that is why I hate them. You can't be winning the Champions League every season here. No. Over the past 5 years, they won at least 2 times or 3 times. No. You are not the only team in Europe. Real Madrid, it's okay. How many? 15? Abba, it's okay. Even when you combine all the Champions League in the Premier League, it's not even up to the 15 that one team won. So for me, that is why I don't like Real Madrid. When we come to Champions League, I don't like them. Because even when they catch my team in the Champions League, they make it difficult against my team to win. Chelsea. So for me, that is why I don't like Real Madrid. When it comes to Champions League football, I hate them. I hate them. I can still remember that goal Rodrigo scored. Charlie, up to now, it is still in my head. Pain, like I'm feeling the pains through my blood, through my bones, through my body. The pass that Mudryk gave Rodrigo and he scored. No. Up to that date, I haven't recovered. I won't lie, guys. So I hate Real Madrid when it comes to Champions League because they are too good. They can win this Champions League. Upon them having a bad defense, yes, their defenders are not there this season. They can win it. Because sometimes when you look at this Champions League, history matters and experience. Forget. When we come to experience in the Champions League this season, Real Madrid, they have it. Champions League coach, manager, yes, well-established manager. They have the players, Champions League players. Most, I can say 60% or 50% of their players, they have recently won it. So when we come to experience in the Champions League, they are number one. Yes. So guys, for me, I'm not supporting Real Madrid. I want Gallagher to get his second Champions League after winning it in Chelsea. Yes, I'm supporting Atletico Madrid, PSG, and Bayern Munich. Yes, these three teams. I want them to win the Champions League. And next season, Chelsea will go and win it to make it our third time. Yes. And Arsenal this season, I know it's just a matter of time. Netflix, we just wait for the next season. So guys, that is the information. And let me hear from you under the comment section about all what we discussed in this video. And please hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It give me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.